Hey guys, so guys, some of my friends asked me some question about YouTube, so I'm going in YouTube Studio, and I will explain you uh, how you can see how many subscriber left, how many subscriber added, in which video the subscriber has been added, which video is going good, and how many likes, how many people shares. So let's start. So you see here, we will go to the analytics. Here this is the dashboard, and we will go to the analytics. So here I told you before, you can see the views, the hours, and the subscriber, but this is for 28 days, so you can change from here 365 days, and you can know in 365 days how many hours, how many views, all the things you can see from here. But you cannot see how many subscriber came in last 28 days or 365 days, and how many left, how many people shares. So from where we can do this, I explain you. If you are this customized channel is not showing, because some of my friends they said it's not showing my customized channel, so you can search the link in on YouTube, and it will show. Okay guys, so here I will explain you how you can check all these things, the shares, likes, subscriber, and uh, so once you open the analytics, you will click on advanced mode. On the top, I click on the, see, from here you can see. Now on the top right, you can see there is written advanced mode. So once you click on advanced mode, you can see so this is 365 days. I change it and I click on advanced mode. From here you can see each and everything about your YouTube channel. You see here, you will click on the matrix, and here you will find how many subscriber came and how many subscriber left, the last one. And here you will come and you can see the shares, comment, added, like, subscribe. So first we check the gain, how many subscriber came in your on your channel. So I click on it, you will go down little bit. This is the chart here. If this is not clear, you go down. So here you can see how many subscriber came, and also in which videos, because of this, which video the subscriber came. So like this you can know about how many subscriber left. See, you can see from this 24 8 4 2 subscriber. Here also you can see the watch hours, views. So now I explain you how to see how many left. So again you will click on this, and this time you will click lost, subscriber lost. You can see 9 subscriber has been lost, and whatever you will open, it will come in the column. Means you can see the last column, what I open it, it's coming before this. And also you can see in which video the subscriber left. Now again we click on this, and click the last one, and we come here integration, and here suppose how many likes you did it in 365 days. Also you can change in the air in a month or 2 months, whatever you want. So you can see the likes like this, you can see the dislikes or how many shares. Click on share, and you can see which video share how many peoples and how many times they shared it, and the total share like 218. And again we go there, there is the card end screen. So end screen, we see end screen, you know, the when you upload the video, so there is the option after this video, the four screens can come, four videos you can put there. So the once the video will be finished, so that four videos will come, and if the uh, viewers want to see, so he can see that one. Again I come on the last one, you can see all it's coming here, and also it will show in the columns. So you can see here all the views, hours, everything. From here you can go, and whatever you open it, the columns will come, and the next one when you will open, so the previous column will be there. So from here you can see the traffic source. These things I explained you in my last video for 365 days or 20 days or whatever you want. You can see the viewers age, in which countries the peoples are watching your videos, and how many videos they are watching. The most of the videos, like in my case, in India the peoples are watching, and because the population of India is too big, and they want to know, different peoples want to know different things. So viewers age, you can see from which age to which age the peoples are watching my video. You can see here like this. You can check all the things, whatever tabs you see here. I explained all these things before, and just for the fast review I am just showing you. Otherwise, if you want to see all these things in detail, so you can watch my previous videos, and you can know about this. In the charts and in the numbers, in the figures, it shows each and everything. From the dashboard, you know, we can upload the files. Monetization, this is very important. You check day by day or week by week how many subscriber you have and how many subscriber you need, or the watch hours, how many you have and how much you need. So from the audio, sometimes you see there is YouTube restrict or copyright issue, but if you take the audio from here, you download the audio from here, so YouTube will not give you copyright. This because these all music is without copyright. So guys, I hope you like this video. If you didn't subscribe my channel, so please subscribe my channel, and also like and share. Thank you for watching. Take care. Bye.